Let's get you an update that we are picking up with the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court that has begun with the pronouncement on the revision petition regarding providing a copy of the EOW or the Economic Offences Wing FIR to the accused persons. This is in connection with the National Herald case, as the court has now upheld the direction given by the judicial magistrate to inform the accused of the FIR, although the court has refused the direction of providing a copy of the FIR. This is a development that we are getting to know as far as when it comes to magistrate order is now concerned, is to inform the accused that has been upheld, and the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi has now upheld when it comes to the pronouncement on the revision petition regarding providing copy of the FIR to the accused persons. The court, however, has refused the direction of providing a copy of the FIR. Let's get this better understanding from Bhavtosh itself. What is the court now saying upholding the magistrate's order, Bhavtosh?
Well, what has happened so far in this case is that in April, the enforcement on the complaint of the Enforcement Directorate, the Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing registered an FIR against Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Suman Dubey, and others in the National Herald case. The complainant in this case continues to be the Enforcement Directorate. Now, once this FIR was filed, the Congress wanted the copy of the FIR. The magistrate, the Metropolitan Magistrate at the Rouse Avenue Court, allowed the Congress party, because since they are the accused in this case, to get the copy of the FIR. Later, the senior court or the Judicial Sessions Court refused to get the copy of the FIR. The matter, which was being heard by Dr. Gogne, he said that the copy should be given, but did not give any explicit order as far as this case is concerned. Whether the copy should be given, he said it would be up to the judicial officer whether the copy should be given or not. Now, the Congress, as soon as this news broke out around a fortnight ago, said that the copy this news has been purposely leaked to the media. On this part, the ED officials have said is that while the filing of the money laundering case is concerned, they said that they had in fact filed the money laundering case on the basis of the private complaint that was given by Subramanian Swamy, the former BJP MP, and after which a metropolitan magistrate passed an order in 2014. But they've said that there were some other findings which they wanted to share with the Economic Offences Wing, in which a case of cheating, forgery, and other sections of IPC, including criminal conspiracy, were added, and also the additional findings of the Enforcement Directorate. Back to you.
So, is informing that has been upheld, but giving a copy of the FIR to the accused, that is something that has now been refused by the court?
Well, the court has said that copies should be given. It has upheld that, but it has left to the direction, left up to the court whether the copy should be supplied or not. But the Congress has already said that the news itself was leaked to the media. It was done in a very purposefully to the media, and they have questioned why it was done, and they have said that this was done just a day after the enforcement, the special court had adjourned the hearing in this case. Even as we speak, Amita, the hearing on the point of cognizance, point of order of cognizance is going on, and it's expected that order will come out anytime soon.
All right. So as far as when it comes to this development is concerned, break down the details for us, Bhavtosh, because the court has now found investigative potential of the FIR to be qualitatively superior than a complaint. What does it mean as far as objecting of the PMLA unambiguously that also recognize FIR requirement on the basis of ECIR?
Well, what has happened, I will give you just a brief background of this case. When in 2014, when the private complaint was filed, by Subramanian Swamy, the former BJP MP, the court, the Metropolitan Magistrate, the Patiala House Court, took cognizance of that, summoned Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and others in the case, and then subsequently released them on bail. Now, this matter, in fact, went to the higher courts, but the Gandhis did not get any kind of relief in this matter. And the ED then took cognizance of that and filed a money laundering case, and summoned and then summoned Gandhis, and subsequently filed a charge sheet in this case. Congress always said that a private complaint cannot be converted into an FIR, but while pronouncing its order on whether the copy of the FIR should be given to the accused in this case, that is Gandhis, the court has made some very pertinent observation, which in fact will help both Delhi Police as well as the Enforcement Directorate. The court has said that investigative potential of the FIR to be qualitatively superior than the private complaint of Subramanian Swamy. The
Okay.
objects of the PMLA unambiguously recognizes an
So
FIR
court doesn't
equivalent.
take note of the charge sheet as well. If you can tell us about this development, because it was previously when the came back to the case came back to highlight is when the Delhi Police's Economic Offensive Wing had filed a fresh FIR against Congress leader Sonia and Rahul Gandhi in connection with the decade-long National Herald case. Now the court also not taking note of the charge sheet.
Yes, that's a setback as far as ED is concerned. The court has refused to take cognizance of the charge sheet that was filed against Sonia Gandhi and others in the National Herald case. That's what our colleague Dipankar has reported from the court. He has said that court has refused to take the cognizance of the charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate against Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and others in the case. It has said that ED will continue to investigate this case. So as far as the charge sheet that was filed against Gandhis are concerned, the court has refused to take cognizance of that. But it has said that the ED will continue to investigate this case on the basis of the FIR that was filed earlier by the enforcement by the Economic Offences Wing in October. As far as the private complaint is concerned, that stands quashed. It can't be the basis of the PMLA
so that
case.
Is different when it comes to the ED, which is already probing the money laundering case, the money laundering angle in this case. Thank you very much, Bhavtosh, for getting us those developments. These developments are coming in live from the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court in connection with the National Herald case. With that, we head into a short break.